Follow the steps on how to modify circle shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by setting the grid via Preferences. You can adjust the grid freely here. Press Enter. Turn on the grid here, and also snap to grid. Press L and start drawing a circle. Press slash to remove the fill color. To modify it, press A. Select this point, then move it using the arrow keys. Likewise with other points. Shapes like this are very often found in icon designs. You can right-click to hide the grid. Don't forget to turn off Snap to Grid again. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.